In this video, I want to talk about dash cams and also my coworkers driving my car for the first time. You can see in this dash cam video, which the Teslas have dash cam built in, there's an insane driver trying to get around this mobile home here. Watch him just swerving like crazy. What an absolute maniac. It's so cool that Tesla records this automatically.
Way less than a truck payment.
Well, right? I'm about to trade in my car.
Well, you want to get I'd get the 24, but...
Oh, the 24.
With,
Look at the camera.
so what do you think?
It's crazy. It's amazing. I love it. I want one.
Sold.
Definitely sold. And how? Look at that. So crazy.
It turns the blinker on too.
Yeah,
Oh my
it does.
goodness.
It cancels the blinkers for you.
We were just having a blinker conversation
We
earlier.
were about how
Yep.
people don't use them enough.
Yep.
So it's going to turn in here by itself.
Mm-hmm.
And watch out for that truck.
Yep. Now, it will park in the spot over there, but I want to park in the garage, so you might have to cancel it.
Okay.
Ooh.
And yeah,
Oh,
that's a little okay. Hit the
Oh,
brake.
hit the
Hit the brake. Yeah, back up into the garage.
Back into the
Well, I mean, go into the garage.
not.
Yep.
You're still good.
You might have
No,
to
you
back
have
up.
to reverse.
Yeah, back up.
So does it have regular sensors on it?
Yes, it's got parking sensors.
So it does, okay.
Yep.
It's crazy how clear the cameras are.
Yep. Okay, so when we get in the parking garage, we're going to do parking assist, and I'm going to show you how that works.
Good, because I
Alright.
do not want to park this bad boy.
Okay, so
Do you want to drive?
no. Okay, so stop.
Okay.
Go on the screen. Just press one of the P's.
One of the P's.
See on the screen? See the P?
No.
Oh, we're here.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
Now hit start.
No.
Foot off everything.
Everything's,
No,
yep.
Yep. Let it do its thing.
Oh,
So you can pick what parking spot you want?
Yep.
And you trusted enough
Oh,
to get in there.
my goodness.
Now, weirdly, this is probably the most accurate thing. It's never, ever failed me on this. And it lines the lines up perfectly.
What?
They're completely perpendicular. I mean, it's
What?
amazing. And what's weird part, it will go back and forth just to get it perfectly straight in the parking spot. So what do you think?
I'm amazed.
And it parks itself. There's no power button. There's no keyholes in the doors, so you can't break into the car.
I'm amazed.
Does this open?
No, this is fixed roof.
Okay.
Yep.
Again, the I'm hot feature, or you saying that and having
Yeah.
it do the air to your setting, that's amazing.
Now it's 67 right now, so hit the button again. Hit the speech button. I'm hot. And it would just keep cranking it down. Yeah, isn't that cool?
I want one. Sold. Sold.
Welcome to the future.
Sold.
It's so cool.
Alex, we have to go car shopping for the rest of the day.
Uh-huh.
So this one goes about 270 miles on a charge.
That is a long way.
Yep. So the new ones can go about 340 miles.
Wow.
But the used ones work just fine. The coolest part is when you buy the car, I was literally in and out of the dealership in 10 minutes because you buy it directly from them. It's like buying on Amazon. You go on the website, you
Amazing.
pick your car, you say, and then all you do is upload your driver's license and all that stuff. And then when you go to get the car, it's literally a 10-minute transaction. There's no talking to the finance guy. There's no, do you want nitrogen in your tires? Any of that silliness.
Yeah, that we all hate.
Right. So it's a 10-minute in and out thing, which is amazing. And then actually there is a piece of trim that is messed up, and what's the other thing? They are replacing something else, all under the warranty, because it has even the used ones get a 1-year unlimited warranty.
Can you set it to different drivers?
Yes. So if you go to profiles, click on my name in the middle, and then you can set up a new driver. And you can even do parenting controls.
No way.
So if you want to make the car only go like 55 miles an hour, you can do that.
That's cool.
You can do valet mode where they can't like floor it, all that stuff.
That is so nice.
And then go ahead and hit the little car on the bottom.
Car on the bottom.
Yep. And then hit the glove box. See the glove box in the lower right?
Lower right, glove box.
So the glove box, you can't break into this glove box, right? So press 4541.
What? Did you see that?
That's cool.
Yeah. So there's all these safety stuff in here that you have. Now hit the 3 dots.
3 dots were
In the middle?
right.
Yep. So if you want to have some entertainment, hit theater.
Where is the
Second row, second icon.
Yep.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
So there's, if you want Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, all that
That's
is in
so
there.
cool.
Now hit the 3 dots again.
Okay.
And then go to arcade. So if you want to play any video games, you can do that. So if you swipe through, you can see all the, kind of swipe across. Yeah, and then swipe the other way.
How fun is
Yep.
that?
So keep going. So hit Mahjong real quick. And play game.
Look, it tells you up here 12 miles.
Yep. So there's Mahjong.
That's insane.
So swipe down. Like from the top, just swipe down. Right, all the way to the top. Go to the top and swipe down. There you go.
Oh.
Yep. Now hit the 3 dots. And then go to Toy Box.
Toy box.
It's next to arcade.
Yep, right there.
That's arcade.
Yep. So go to Boombox. See Boombox over on the right,
On the right.
and then pick Megaphone.
Megaphone.
Hello. It's on the outside of the car. Now undo Megaphone so people don't hear us.
But it's so cool.
And then go down to scroll across and look for romance mode. So go to romance mode.
With the fire.
And then go hit get cozy.
That is amazing.
So it's actually turning the heat on,
Yes.
and then it's going to start playing like Barry White or something. So go and swipe down so it doesn't start playing music.
You can hear the crackling.
I think you got to click on the corner on the right.
Corner on the right.
Yep.
Oh.
There you go.
What?
So now, then it turns the AC back on.
What is that? What is it?
You can go to
Mars?
emissions mode.
Emissions mode.
The
Where's
pink.
that?
The pink.
Over here.
Yep. And then you can fart on demand if you want, or do the pull down. I'm so random.
Pull down. Where are you at? Here.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. I can just hit one. Hit a do a ludicrous. Ludicrous fart.
Okay. Leave it to a car to have that.
Right.
That's amazing.
And so-
Emissions testing.
Yeah. So hit the 3 dots again,
Oh my lord.
and then go to dash cam. This is actually a legitimate, important thing that everyone should know about dash cam. So while you're driving, the car records everything. While it's parked, the car records everything.
Okay.
So if you have an accident, the car knows, and it will save the clips.
Wow.
So if you have a dispute with somebody, the car will know. So go to
Oh wait, is that what's her name? How do I go back to Megaphone?
no, don't mess with Michelle.
Oh come on, she's fine.
Okay.
All right,
So
fine.
go to click on the date up at the top.
Date up here?
No, on the other date.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Well, yeah, you can click on that one. Yeah, you can see that was an event the other day. And then click on the Eustace where it says the words and the date. Yeah, click on that. And then you can see like all my different things.
Whoa.
Manual save when I honk the horn. So click on honk.
Honk.
Yep. So that's when I honked the horn the other day. And it will play the event. Now click on the left and the right at the bottom.
Left and the right, where are you at?
See the other camera views?
Oh, yeah.
Left and the right. So these are the other views. So all the other cameras are recording.
Oh wow.
So if you got hit here or there or there, you can look at where you got hit.
Oh
now,
wow.
Also look, see where it says 49 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour?
Yeah.
It tells you at the time of the video how fast you were driving. Was it in self-driving? And even will show the heated seats. It's pretty crazy.
Whoa.
So yeah, it knows everything about the car.
Now, do you just do research and that's how you know all this information, or do you just play with it?
I'm just a big car geek, so. But isn't that cool?
Yes.
So imagine, you know, your kid says, "Hey, somebody hit me," and then you can pull up this video and go, "Oh, really?"
Whoa.
It says here that you were you rear-ended them, you know, or something.
That's crazy.
But yeah, it's a great great tool to have. And when we caught the guy in the parking garage, Ellis's car had her cameras on, and we were able to identify the guy.
That's insanely cool.
We're sold.
Yep. So.
See, they need to make it affordable for everyone so that we can have safe
So
drivers.
you can get
For kids.
you can get a Model 3, which is the sedan, for about 15 grand. So used, you know, like a 2018.
Yeah,
But I recommend the Y because of the, you know, better interior room and
definitely.
a little bit more modern, the 2021 and newer. So
Thank you.
pretty cool.
I'm pretty sure I paid $26,000 for my stupid Ford Fiesta.
And it doesn't do this.
No comment.
It doesn't do anything. It has no features. The only thing it has is heated seats.
Yep. Okay, for my next video, I've got touch-up paint, floor mats, I've got armrest cover, and I've got all of the kind of accessories I'm going to put on this car, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and remember to leave a comment below and use my referral code that's in the description if you do buy a Tesla.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe down below.